Hello and welcome to the Leaf Solution Micro Mesh Gutter Guard water demonstration video. As you will see, our Leaf Solution Micro Mesh Gutter Guard can keep even the smallest debris out of your gutters while allowing water to move through freely. The patented triple dip design will allow up to 60 gallons of water per minute flow through the panel and into your gutters. Here we have the under shingle style panel installed on our roof model. Now let's simulate a rainstorm and see what happens. As you can see, the rainwater moves down the roof and then quickly through the Leaf Solution Gutter Guard. The superfine micro mesh allows all the water to pass through while keeping even the smallest debris out. Now we will cover the Leaf Solution Gutter Guard with the type of debris which commonly clogs gutters and see how the panel works. From this overhead view, you can see that the water flows under the debris, through the micromesh, and into the gutter. And here's the view with some of the debris removed to show you just how the water moves through the Leaf Solution micromesh panel. Now we will remove the panel to show that the gutter has water flowing freely through it. The Leaf Solution micromesh panel has kept out even the smallest pieces of leaves, sticks, and pine needles. As you can see, the Leaf Solution Gutter Guard can keep your gutters free of clogs and allow water to flow freely through the gutters and away from your home. The Leaf Solution Gutter Guard panel comes in multiple sizes and colors, and we stock all the accessories you will need to install our complete system. Check out leafsolution.com for more information, and thanks for watching.